Just imagine you get down from your building and hop into the LRT and get to one corner of Waterloo University to the other end of the Kitchener, anywhere. Or you can just straight walking for 3 minutes and you can get to Google office or Shopify office within 3 minutes. Hundreds of IT companies, manufacturing sector, insurance sector, everything is within your reach within 10 minutes. Either you walk or you take a GO transit, everything is reachable. In this video, I'm going to share with you a game changer investment opportunity in the heart of Kitchener downtown. Hi, this is Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I'm your investment advisor who helps you to build a profitable real estate portfolio. Just like you, I am an investor as well. So I present you only those properties where I know you're gonna make money. Let's talk why I choose to invest here in Kitchener. Real Estate Network has ranked Kitchener as the top choice investment city. Kitchener has a strong infrastructure. You are just next to Highway 401. GO Transit is very strong. LRT is here. Kitchener and Waterloo is the home of hundreds of IT companies like Google, Shopify, BlackBerry, tons of companies which are offering thousands of employment jobs here. This region is very strong in manufacturing and insurance industry. With 2 universities and Conestoga College, this region is the home of 45,000 students. Now let's talk about this mind-blowing investment opportunity. This building is going to be a fully high-tech building by keeping the modern lifestyle in mind. You can control multiple features of your suite, for example, thermostat, lighting, security, even the delivery services by just one single app, either your phone or the wall pad. There will be plenty of visitors parking in this building. You can enjoy your free time in the community areas, fireplaces areas, sauna, limitless options. Every suite is fully upgraded. Every suite comes with 9 feet ceiling, window coverings, spotlights, quartz countertops, and European style inspired integrated kitchen. You will love your custom closets and you will also enjoy your full-size windows from floor to ceiling height. You will have full-size washer-dryer in your suite. You will definitely enjoy high-speed internet facility. Let me tell you my favorite feature of this project, which I have never seen in any other project. You're getting huge terrace sizes. It will be an extension to your living room. You can set up your office, you can host parties, or you can just sleep under the stars. Possibilities are limitless. The location is top notch. The grocery store is just across the street. Tim Horton only 2-minute walk. Hospital is just 3 minutes away. You never have to take the car. With great location, AAA tenants, high rental and high appreciation, this is a one-of-a-kind of lifetime investment opportunity. Occupancy is scheduled in mid-2023. That gives you enough time to grow your investment. Price is starting from only $300,000 and that's just for you because I am your platinum agent. So I am giving you the pre-launch access to this project. I know that you are a smart investor and now you know that why I am totally 100% sold on to this investment opportunity. As we are talking, I'm already booking units for my clients and I want you to own your unit as well. So give me a call or drop me an email. Let's book your condo in this building.